Jordan Simone, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. First thing I do is I get this pencil that I got from Tyson. It's a little Kiss pencil, regular beauty supply pencil, and I'm just going to follow the shape of my eyebrow. And while I'm shaping my eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead and shade it in as I go, but I'm making sure that I go lightly so I don't have too dark eyebrows, but at the same time I want to make it more noticeable. And once you get towards the front, you want to make sure that you are lighter on your strokes because you don't want blocky eyebrows. Also, a few people have been asking me on my YouTube page in the comments where I get my lashes from. I do have my own lash business, and I'll put the link down below in the description for it. But I just restocked, so I do have a couple new styles in store for you guys. And I try to get my eyebrows to look as identical as possible, but sometimes it doesn't work in my favor. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a concealer and a flat brush. I usually use an angled brush for my concealer, but I don't have one at the moment, so I just used this one. And as you just see me do, I put a stroke of concealer at my arch so that I can start carving from there. Then after I do a basic line of concealer, I push it downwards so that it's easier to blend out without taking the brush so close to your eyebrow if you want it as precise. And I was definitely getting concealer on my eyelashes, but it's okay. And for the concealer on the top, usually I use a darker color, considering that it's not really for highlight, but usually I put on contour around my forehead just to make it not as bright. But I didn't have a darker concealer at the time, so I just used the same concealer. The concealer is pretty much self-explanatory. The most hard thing about the eyebrows is just making them. So after you got that, you pretty much just follow your outline. Now, everybody uses different brushes for their blending method. Some people use beauty blenders. So this part is really free for all. You can freestyle this. Just try to blend as much as possible if you're not going to put any contour or anything. And for the middle of my eyebrows, I just like to take the concealer line that I made and brush it upwards and keep blending. And I go in with any of my old tools to see if I made any mistakes or things I have to fix. But other than that, that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I believe that's how I do them from now on. Yeah, quarantine's got me a little messed up. Can't go to the Beauty Supply store, but it's okay. This is the end look. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell for all of my videos. I will leave all my information down in the description box below, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.